Meaning of dermatological.
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 Dermatological. Dermatological refers to the study, diagnosis, and treatment of skin-related conditions. This field of medicine deals with a wide range of conditions, such as acne, eczema, psoriasis, skin cancer, and other skin infections. Dermatologists use various diagnostic tools, such as biopsies and imaging tests, to identify the underlying causes of skin disorders. Treatment options include topical or oral medications, light therapy, and surgical procedures. Taking care of one's skin health is important for overall well-being, as the skin is the body's largest organ and serves as a protective barrier against external elements.